This is what you wanted to see, eh, guys? Snowing, blowing, basically a crummy, crummy day. And I feel great. You know why I feel great? Because I'm sitting on a heated seat pad. Yeah, it's warm, it's toasty down here. This is a heated seat pad from our the good guys at Gears Canada. Look, there it is. It fits on anything. I'm going to get a couple of these because I want one on the ATV. This is great. This is nice and warm. Huh? There it is right there, guys. Nothing to it. Now, on the ATV, it's really designed for motorcycles. I think originally they designed it for motorcycles, but ATVs are great too. I'm going to put it on the snowmobile. Now, there's a logical place to have a heated seat on the snowmobile. It's like a hot pad. It's a heated pad, and it's got straps that clip around the seat. Just that simple. And the cord comes down. It's got two ends on it that clip onto the battery, and a plug so you can take it off the battery and an on-off switch. It really is so simple and not expensive at all. I'm pretty pleased with this. I'm going to get them, buy a couple more from them. I think don't want to take this off and on. Now you know what I was thinking, and this is an idea for you guys too. You see, we on some of our ATVs, we have seat covers. The seat cover is not to cover up the seats so much. The seats are in really good shape. I'm going to put this Gears heated seat pad underneath the seat cover. That way it'll be protected, and the straps and everything, right, and the cords. Well, that'd be just fantastic. So that's with the ATV, and what a great idea. So now we're going to go out to the shed, pop it onto the snowmobile quickly, and you'll see what it looks like there. And of course, you can see from the shape of it, it'll fit motorcycles. Yeah, this is a fantastic idea. A heated seat cover. It comes with an on-off switch. It says in here that they actually have an optional heat control. So you can move the temperature up and down. You don't want to get too hot. Anti-skid bottom, yeah, it sticks to the seat. It's great, yeah, just fantastic. Let's go and see what it's like on the snowmobile. The Gears heated seat pad fits perfectly right on the snowmobile seat. I'm going to have to make some clips to hold it underneath the edge of the seat to hold it down on each side, but it plugs in, same battery and everything else is exactly the same. And I have a problem now because I know this is fantastic, and I know Diana, the minute she tries this, she's going to want one for this seat too, because she often rides with me on the queen seat. We call it the queen seat. She's not a queen, she's more of a princess. But anyway, she's going to want one up here. I may have to order about 6 of these darn things. Anyway, there's the Gears heated seat. Sits on there perfectly, right underneath my butt. Keeps me nice and warm while I'm out there riding around. This is great. I think I'm going to go for a ride, dear. What about on our side-by-side? Because we use the Ranger, our Polaris Ranger side-by-side a lot. What about on the side-by-side? Because there's lots of times when it's pretty cold out there, and that heated seat might be really nice. So I brought it over here. Now, one minor problem is that the Gears Canada has initially designed this seat to fit on the motorcycles and ATVs and maybe snowmobiles. So the straps, as you see, come out the side, go around the seat and back to the other side. That won't work for a UTV. Certainly if it's a bench seat. So our machine, this Ranger, is a bench seat. And these straps won't hold it on. But two things. First of all, as with the ATVs, we have a cover on here. You see, this is a cover. So again, I'm going to put this heated pad underneath the cover. The heat will come through that cover very, very easily. It'll come through that very cover. Now, in the meantime, I'm going to speak to Gears Canada and see if we can't get an attachment in the front, attachment at the back, and a strap. Pull the seat out, strap it around there for you other guys who would like to get one of these. But there you go. It'll even work on your side-by-side. How about that? Yeah, fantastic device. Well, I better get in there and call Gears Canada. I need some more of them and share some ideas with them as well. Talk to you soon, guys. Take care.